Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class 2 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 16. The name of our chapter is the aerial family. Let's see the today's topic. Here is today's topic. This is chapter 16. The name of our chapter is the aerial family, and this is lecture number 10, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 9 number SW, and this is your science book. And today's chapter is here. When you will watching this video, this class, then you can open your book also. This is chapter 16 and page number is 108. You can follow your book also. So let's start today's class. At first we will read this chapter, and after that we will do some exercise of this chapter. The aerial family. The sun. Now at first we will learn about sun. The rises in the morning, giving light to the land below it. It sets in the evening, leaving the world in darkness. Do you know what I am talking about? Yes, the sun. This is the sun. You can see this picture. This is the sun. The sun is a star. It is much bigger and brighter than any other star. The sun is a huge ball of fire. There are many stars in the sky, but the sun looks so big because it is closest to the planet Earth. The other stars are very far away, so they look small in size. The sun gives us heat and light during the day. We feel warm if we stand outside in the sun for some time. The weather changes because of the sun. During the day, it seems that the sun moves in the sky. In the morning, the sun is low in the sky. It is less hot during this time. At noon, the sun is right above our head. It is very hot during this time. In the evening, the sun seems to go down. We cannot see the sun at night, so it is dark at night. The moon. Now we will learn about moon. The moon is a big ball of rocks. It is the only natural satellite of the earth. It moves around the earth. It takes 28 days to complete one full movement around the earth. The moon can be seen at night. Look at this picture. This is moon. The moon has no light of its own. It shines with the light taken from the sun. There is no air or water in the moon. The moon changes its shape every night. These changes are called lunar phases, and they repeat every 28 days. There are 8 phases of the moon. If you can see this picture, here is the 8 lunar phases of moon. Now we will learn about the stars. Here is some question. Have you ever looked at the night sky? Sorry, have you ever looked at the night sky? What do you see? Have you seen some twinkling and shining bodies in the sky? These twinkling bodies are called stars. Here is a picture of stars. Stars are huge ball of hot gas in space. Stars twinkle and shine at night. There are different kinds of stars in the sky. Some stars are much bigger than the sun, while some stars are smaller than the earth. Now, we will know about astronauts. Who are astronauts? Astronauts are people who travel into the outer space. Neil Armstrong was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first person to work on the moon in July 20, 1969. So dear students, now we will do some exercise. Our first exercise is here, true false. Number 1, true false is the sun has no light of its own. Is it true or false? If it true, then we will write true, and if it false, then we will write false here. So the sun has no light of its own. This statement is false. So we will write here false. Now 2 number, stars twinkle and shine during day and night. No, this statement is also false. So we will write here false. Now we will discuss question and answer. Here is only one question and answer. The question is, what is the sun? The answer is, the sun is a star. It is much bigger and brighter than any other star. The sun is a huge ball of fire. So that's it dear student. I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you some SW. Your SW number is 9 number SW. Remember that when you will do your SW, please write the SW number, and your SW will be this question and answer. You can see here is only one question and answer, and this is your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 9 number SW, and your SW is question, this question and answer. That means what is the sun and its answer. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assign SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and abide by your parents. See you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.